Hi, I'm Mark Liptog, and welcome to our dream home. My wife and I embarked on a journey to create a space that speaks to who we are and how we want to live. We chose a Century home for its charm and character, incorporating unique features that blend luxury, technology, and sustainability. Schneider Electric's smart switches and receptacles seamlessly integrate sustainability practices into our daily lives. If we go out and forget to turn off the lights, the system automatically turns them off and turns them on again to light our path when we come home. We installed a Wiser home energy monitor, allowing us to manage electricity usage from anywhere. With all the technology we installed, our electrician suggested we install a whole home surge protector in the main panel. These smart solutions offer convenience and peace of mind, knowing our home is safe and sustainable. We love our new custom house because it truly feels like a home tailored to our needs and preferences. It's never too late to turn your house into the home you've always wanted.